morning, everybody. First day of fall term nursing school. I'm gonna see if I can convince my dad to take a first day school pic for me. Okay, breakfast is going in here. We got the first day school pic. I'll insert a couple here. I'm honestly really tired and I don't want to be late. So let's map to school. Usually I map right when I wake up because sometimes there's an accident and then I have to go the other way and leave earlier than expected. 32 minutes. That's not bad. I might have to listen to a pump up playlist. We are combining with another cohort, so it's not just like my usual people who I know. I know a couple people in my class, but I don't know everyone, so I feel like it's the major first day of school again. New teachers, new classes. I'm going to pathophysiology and farm this morning till 12, and then I might go to a coffee shop and get some work done because I know I want to do my drug cards, and I was gonna get ahead on those, but then I was like, I don't really know how she wants them, so hopefully we'll talk about it today in class. This is the class I am most nervous for this term. I've always said this is probably the class that I will have the hardest time with because I don't know anything about it. I guess I know more about patho, but I don't know anything about pharmacology. That's definitely gonna require a lot of time. I'm gonna play the end of this playlist that I just added a bunch of songs to. You guys, I am very stressed. I just looked at my map and it's literally all red across the bridge. I'm not even to the 84 yet. And now it says I'm gonna arrive at 8:53, which is too close for my comfort. I'm usually always 15 minutes early. Well, updates to come. Hopefully I'm not late. This is the last thing I want to do with on my first day. Literally all these cars in the other lane are just hauling and then moving into my lane to get over, and that's why I'm not moving. I hate when other people do that, so I try not to do it, and I just try to sit in my lane until I can go over. But this is what's really messing me up. My lane is barely moving and cars are zooming by. I'm regretting not leaving literally an hour ahead. In nursing school, if you're late 3 times, you get kicked out. I'm just gonna try to remain calm and listen to my music and trust in the universe that this will work out. You guys, we're gonna make it! We did it! We survived the first day of school. I just picked up my new parking pass for the year. Gonna put that on when I get home. Kind of fun to see everyone. So many more people here, which was kind of nice. I feel like I missed the bigger school vibe, but then I got so used to it just being our small little group where you know everyone. What else? I did have an embarrassing moment. Figured I'd just share here. I'm power walking to class so fast. I didn't want to be late and I had like 5 minutes, but in nursing, if you're 5 minutes early, you're like almost late. So I'm trying to book it in the building and I'm walking along the sidewalk, and then I decided to just cut through the grass a little bit instead of staying on the sidewalk. It's like someone walking next to me. It was like I was trying to race them to the door, which was just really weird. I should have just slowed down. And then it turned out to be my professor. And she was like, oh, where are you going? And I was like, oh, Patho Farm, like room 101. She's like, me too. Don't worry, you're not late. I'm the professor. I was very embarrassed, and then I had to walk through the room and there was only one seat left in the dead center front row. I think it's okay because I really love her. I think she's really cool, and hopefully she doesn't judge me too much for that. It was not my finest moment. I really should have just slowed down and been patient. We love a good little first day story. You could have older people in your class, you can have younger people in your class. You never know who the professor is gonna be. It's hard to tell. All right, I'm gonna go home. It's kind of cold outside. I was gonna try to study outside at a coffee shop, but it's really cold and I'm wearing shorts, so I might just go home and try to go get lunch somewhere. I feel like I need a first day of school reward.
Where it will go, I can't stop now, baby, now. I will just keep searching, and here I am still learning about what it is that you need, what it is you bleed for, longing and yearning, deeply burning for you.
Hello guys, today is Wednesday and I'm currently on my lunch break. Just went to Winco to go get myself lunch because I didn't have a chance to pack it last night. Go through the whole store, grab a bunch of stuff for me to eat right now, and then I get to the checkout line. Mind you, I've literally like never gone to Winco. Maybe once in my life I have. And they don't take credit cards, and I literally only had cards on me. Now I'm gonna go to Starbucks, I guess. I had my chronic class this morning, and honestly I really love my teacher, so that's great. Kind of pushed me into full gear to be like, okay, this is definitely more intense than last term, and you're gonna have to work 20 times harder. I'm gonna go get my food at Starbucks and go eat it with my friends outside. And then I have mental health this afternoon.
Winter's my favorite weather, 'cause it brings you close.
Good morning, guys. It is 7:30 in the morning. Got here really fast. I'm just chilling in my car with the nice heated seats. The sun is out. I listened to my podcast from my pharmacology teacher and then some pump up music, of course, because that's kind of my clinical day tradition is I have to mentally pump myself up. I'm drinking the coffee, Christmas cup, of course. This was my breakfast, the almond butter overnight oats from TJ's. To be honest, I'm a little disappointed. I think it kind of looks and semi-tastes like dog food. There's not a lot of flavor there. Try to eat half of it. I hate wasting food, but I really just don't think I can finish it. We are going to my usual favorite, the Go-Go Squeeze. If you've been following my channel for a long time, you know I'm addicted to these. And yes, I look like a 5-year-old drinking out of them, but they are truly the best thing ever, and one of the only things that I can have in the morning for breakfast because I get nauseous very easily. Today is a really busy day. It's our clinical orientation to the sim lab. So basically how our semester is working this term is that we've been split into 2 groups. Group 1, which is my group, is going to be in the clinical sim lab for half of the semester. So we're doing all of our things on simulated patients. We're given different patient scenarios. Basically act like it's real life, but we're in a lab working with simulated patients. Then the other group is at a clinical facility at a long-term care SNF. I don't know what's up with my SNF, the one that I was matched to. We just found out that they had a COVID outbreak and the entire facility there is being converted into a COVID facility. Facilities are going to transfer probably their COVID patients there as like a quarantine place. Very scary time. There's a lot of stress going on. I don't even know how I feel about being in person right now. Never thought I'd say this, but a part of me wishes I'm online. The cases are surging really badly in Oregon. It's making me nervous, and it's hard to go from no regulations all the way back to, oh my gosh, we're worse than where we were at the beginning, even in December of this pandemic. Oh, my friend Erica just pulled up. Let's see if she comes over to the side. But yeah, that's kind of what's going on through my head. How are you doing? Yes! Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
We could be good friends. We could be good friends.
We're done. Done.
Halfway.
Yeah, 3-hour break.
3-hour break, then more.
All right, now we can actually update you about what we've been doing today. What has been your favorite part of the day, Erica?
That hands-on experience.
This is the best clinical day I've had so far, probably.
Yeah.
Because it feels organized.
It's not as much CNA work.
Right, exactly.
Which is super cool.
We learned how to do different feeding tubes, G-tube, J-tube. We practiced setting it up on the pump, which is actually kind of fun. That was satisfying. And what else did we
Felt
do?
like a real nurse when you pressed the buttons on the pump.
Oh.
Sorry, my car's a little aggressive.
We've done tracheal suctioning.
Yeah.
We're about to do our medication simulation.
Insulin. Clear before cloudy.
Clear before cloudy. We worked on some soap notes and some S bars. Had our lunch, feeling good. Almost done with my kombucha. I probably will have to pee when I arrive at our destination.
That's all healthy. Eyes and nose.
Eyes and nose. Actually, I have a really stretched out bladder already, so I was already meant to be a nurse. After that, we're done for the day.
Wish we could stay here forever. Each day you keep getting better. Gotta love you close.
Oh, yeah. I'm just prepping.
And I need you close. I need you close. Yeah. Na 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 na. Every day, look away. Na 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 na.
Oh my god, this is the biggest air bubble I ever did see.
Okay. Is it in your clear at least? Or are you already?
It's in my clear, yeah. I never know how to get these air bubbles out. Like, do you guys?
You shove them back in.
Yeah, I did that. But
Keep
I'm like,
going.
keep going.
Yeah, do it again.
Okay.
Just get the bubble at the top and then like pull more in and then just.
Oh, pull more over
Yeah.
that. Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah, and then
Yeah,
push it.
and then
There you
push
go.
it in. And then if it's a little one at the top. Oh, I'm so close. Get out. Oh, I got it. Woo!
We could be good friends.
I'm gonna scoop you.
Oh, that's so cool.
What's so cool?
The snapback ones.
Oh.
She bent and she snapped.
Hold on, it takes me forever to get my gloves on.
Grab from the palm.
The palm?
Yeah, like I like grab.
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay, maybe that's what I need to do. I like
but
these
then you can
tips.
rip your butt. You'll
I know,
more.
these-
But yeah, if you
yeah.
like get your thumb up there and pull on.
Oh
from,
yeah,
like,
that
close to
does
the
work
fingers.
better. Okay, thank you for this advice. Scrub. Right, here we go.
Looking so good, you guys. Oh,
That's
so
so
satisfying.
Oh, and then oh wait, I'm scared.
It's really hard.
Wow! Yay!
You guys, we did it. We survived first day of second semester clinical. It feels so good. It just felt so great to do all these skills. I love my group. They're so fun. Today was a win. In nursing school, you don't always have wins, so you definitely need to celebrate the days that you do because sometimes they feel far and few between. Also, I look so greasy. This is what happens when I'm in a KN95 for how many hours have I been here? I guess I got here at 8 and it is currently 5. I'm going to go home, pick up some burgers for my family to have for dinner. I don't think I have any homework to do tonight, but I might look ahead and spend an hour doing stuff, and then I'm gonna shower, take the rest of the night off. Maybe tomorrow morning I'll do some more stuff because I don't have class until 1, which is really nice. And tomorrow's another day of clinical in the lab. We get to meet our clinical instructor, who was also my professor last term, so it's gonna be good. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Happy Friday, everybody. It is officially the end of the week. I have one more clinical today and then I am done. Got the best parking spot. It's gonna be a good day. We get to be with our clinical group again. This morning did some homework, had some lunch, and now we're here. I don't know if I can film as much today because I think it's gonna be a little bit more structured patient simulation experience. I think I'm in class for 4 hours, maybe 5. The first week is always crazy because I never remember my schedule. Today I have class. Oh, it doesn't tell me. Well, it's a surprise. We'll find out. Here we go. We just got home and I am done with simulation lab. It was a really interesting, educational, moving experience. They have a full-on actor in there and you're given a patient scenario and you have to deal with this. And I was, of course, chosen as the first nurse to deal with the situation. Initially, I left thinking it went terrible, so unproductive, not a part of the plan. I didn't crush it, you know what I mean? Like, I really doubted myself when I walked back into the room and I was like, oh, that was not good. And then we had a whole debriefing with our team and it was so nice to hear from the actor what the feedback was. The actor was actually able to share so many positive points and I really focused on my body language and trying not to be as bubbly because I feel like that's probably one of my downfalls. I got such good feedback. All of us were really moved by really what is nursing, which is so much more than what they even teach you in first term. This was much more holistic, intense, different. I just got home. It's almost 6 o'clock. I'm gonna go get dinner, submit my work for tonight that's due, and maybe take a night off. It's Friday night. You have to give yourself a little break here, and that's probably what I'm gonna do. I wanna thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you got a little bit better picture of what it's like to be a nursing student and kind of what my week looks like, what I go through. I'm so happy that I'm doing this, even though there's days that are really great, there's days that are challenging. It's a good balance, and I feel like overall it was a really good week. And even though I'm very nervous for the second semester because I heard that it's so intense, I'm really excited for the challenge too, and I know it's gonna feel so good by the time it's Christmas and I will have survived this semester. That's it for today. Give this video a thumbs up if you'd like more content like this. Today's question of the day is going to be, what is a lesson or a perspective, even saying or phrase that you use to carry on with you throughout your entire professional experience? I want to hear some interesting things down below. You guys are so smart, and every time I ask these questions, I love the responses that I get. Also, if you're not subscribed already, please subscribe down below. I hope you guys are having a really good week. If you didn't have such a good week, I hope you know that it will get better. Hang in there. I love you guys so crazy much, and I will talk to you very, very soon. Bye.
I mean, you know I ain't lying, 'cause I hate wasting time. You said soon we'll be leaving this place, no life to find. I you been looking hella fine. I was still making up my mind.